about that little intermission. I am vlogging on my phone and my father was calling in. So that is the downside to vlogging on your phone. I actually have another cell phone that I can use that has good quality as well. But this just happens to be a little bit more convenient because I'm walking around with it and I don't want to walk around with 2 cell phones. So yeah. Brayden can make his way. Brayden like, no, not today. Not today. So, okay. My stomach is starting to cry out. So, what are you guys eating today? What are some great food ideas that you guys be eating? I am not a seafood person. The most I like is fish and imitation crab. Here comes Mother.
What's up, man?
What's up there?
You got pain still on my back.
For real?
Yeah. Man, I said I'm gonna do the dip with these dishes up.
No, just leave them. I'm gonna get them. Nope, just leave them.
I thought about some fish chips, shrimp.
That kind of stuff, because by the time they put it in the container,
That's what you told me that.
it's gonna be soggy.
Oh, they got a milkshake thing at Walmart. Same color? Same color.
Oh, for real.
I said, get that. And see, one got 100 watts, and that costs $44. Because the rest of them cost $23. But that blue one, you do malts, milkshakes, smoothies, anything you want.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see them paper plates up there.
It look like in the way it belong on the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Well,
Yeah.
had a hell of a throat for
I
it.
know, right? Turner's walking in the door. What's up?
This is 12 hours. That's what it looked like if it was him. What's up, Bob?
Not much, man.
Where you going at?
Huh?
Where you going at?
Watching the Equalizer.
So y'all, I just finished taking my shower. We decided what we were gonna eat. Everybody is eating something different. My father is eating a steak burger from Burger King. I am eating leftover rice with eggs, scrambled eggs, bacon, and toast. Me and Brayden eating that. And my husband is eating hot dog and fries. So everybody doing their own thing today. So we just got notice of a bunch of great topics and things that people want to see, so we will definitely be adding that to our vlog and to our to my Yep I Said It page. That is a page where I talk about things and I say things that maybe other people are afraid to say. Are still ministry based, biblically based, and when it's a point of my opinion, I would definitely stress that as well and let it be known that it's not scripture but just my belief. So yeah, so that is what I'm about to work on now. So I'll show you. I am just putting my rice in a bowl. I done already put some bacon, Oscar Mayer bacon in the oven. Gonna make some toast, and yeah, so we had some what kind of rolls are these? Brioche hot dog buns. So I took these out. The reason why they are in this Ziploc bag, because one day my mom just came in and bust open the whole bag and bit off 4. So that is why my husband put them in the Ziploc bag. But these are what these buns are. Nature's Own brioche style buns. These are pretty good. The hot dog buns are pretty good as well. So I'm not going to share that yet because might be short. So that is what I'm gonna work on for now. After when I'm done, I'm gonna add some more butter, salt, and pepper into this rice, and I'll just, let me see. Yeah, that's enough rice for us. So yeah, I'm gonna crack some eggs. I have a pet peeve when it comes to cracking eggs. I do not like eggs in plastic because I feel like plastic holds a smell. So I don't like putting my eggs in a plastic bowl. I always crack them in a glass bowl, and then I take that little white stringy part off of the egg. Y'all, when he got home, he didn't even notice the football stuff that I got him, and he still don't even notice. He like walked right past the thing, right past the thing, right past the thing.
It's so disguised. It look like a turkey. I don't know. This
Okay,
right
I
look like a
give
weapon
that.
sign.
But that straight say football. That straight is football.
Alabama and Georgia game, y'all. I hate to upset my classmates and, you know, friends and even my mom, because a lot of them are definitely Alabama fans. But I am a Georgia Bulldog fan. My team is Oklahoma, as you can see. But out of the Georgia-Alabama game, I will be rooting for Georgia. So please don't none of y'all fall out with me. You know, and I'm not gonna be mad if Alabama win because I know they got a good score. I always do, but I'm just thinking Georgia's gonna take it this year for a change. So definitely looking forward to the game. I haven't been able to watch the game thanks to my lovely wife. Went on and hooked us up with a cable box, and you know, I will be spending my weekends at home a lot more now. So you did a good thing, man. You know, that way I don't have to ride to the casino. Although it's kind of fun, you know, sitting at the casino and the atmosphere with everybody else. I think it's a little more safer to watch it at home, though. So just gonna chill out, watch the game at home. Go Georgia Bulldog, team turn. Now I'm hungry, y'all. I gotta give me something to eat.
I told y'all he eating hot dog and fries.
Yeah, we've been cooking all this week, so I'm just gonna do some simple stuff. We got bacon in the oven. That smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I'm quick, fast, than I heard type. What up today? I do my hot dogs a little bit different. I be doing my hot dogs a little bit different, so you know we do got the bar S, you know, definitely got the bar S. Famous Checkers rally fries, gotta have them. So we're gonna drop a few of these bad boys. Brayden, do you want some hot dogs and fries? Let's see what your mom cooking. I got time.
You should eat breakfast too, bro.
Nah, you go ahead. That's enough for you two. I need so much. Come on over here, man. Why you scratching like that? I told you. Okay.
What?
Put no lotion on. Get some nice too late, man.
Yeah, throw that in the trash for me, Brady. Babe, put this one back. Yeah, babe, put that back.
You supposed to do that when you get out the shower, son. But you gonna try to run up there and do it now? You gotta wait till you take another shower, huh? Oh, but back to how I'm cooking the hot dog.
How does there nothing full trash? It is so hard to put it in the white trash bag.
Okay, I don't like crunchy hard bacon. That is fine.
So look, I'm finna take my little skillet. Although we do have a hot dog machine and all that good stuff, I found this to be a lot. Ew, I hate that.
Bro, you feel like you really good. Sorry.
All right, so we get a little butter in the skillet. Fried hot dogs. They are the best. I cooked my mother-in-law some the other day. She enjoyed them, so I'm going to try them today. Throw that away, Brady.
What?
Throw that away.
Bro, I didn't even put it in the other trash bag. Oh my god.
So as y'all can see, little turn up kitchen mode, I guess you want to call it. Ain't no real serious cooking going on today. Everybody pretty much fending for myself.
You use the egg pan.
Oh really? I was gonna use the blue one, but I figured, I was gonna use that.
Can you please? For the eggs. Let's put that.
My wife got a specific pan she cook eggs in.
Because
This is egg.
this is the granite pan where the eggs don't stick and leave all that caked up crap at the bottom of the pan.
This is a non-stick pan too, y'all.
So
So we'll let the hot dog marinate a little minute. Normally would have put some onions and bell peppers in here, but really don't feel like all that right now because I'm really trying to get to the move. I got to get up early in the morning, working a little overtime this week, so it's fast. Get to the movie theater, spend a little family time, enjoy some, spend some time with my wife and my kids. She all over in my way. Big as this kitchen is, we used to always have this problem anyway, and now we expanded the kitchen. And she still want to be right, right in my little square.
It's because it gates.
thank you, Brayden. We put the gate up so my mom won't.
But the gate is over there, y'all. Let me show y'all where the gate is.
Finally, it did not take me 2,000 years.
The gate is headed out the kitchen. Like, I'm talking about this little area right here.
At least it's still big.
See how she keep coming in the screen?
Excuse me, but my pan is over here with my hands.
She got her hair done today, y'all. And she look cute. Let me see. Smile for the camera. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. Got cut off some kind of way. But I was just reminding my wife, I remember when I had first moved back home and I was in Lafayette. And I would be going down to one of my partner house, where we kept the cars at, and this what I would be cooking: fried hot dogs or even fried bologna. Cause everybody know in the felt at 8:30, everything shut down. The only thing you can get is a hot dog from Spectrum anyway. Circle K rather what it is now. We from the old school call it Spectrum, cause that's what it always used to be. But Circle K. to y'all new breed. Yo, when them be over, so I just be eating chips and fried hot dogs, stuff like that. So they done now.
They look pretty good.
So I'm gonna show y'all the fried hot dogs. Yeah. Show y'all these fried hot dogs. Yeah. I had seen the red light on. Oh, it's big hot.
A little butter on my mom's toast.
I don't know what kind of hot dog buns these little, but they pretty good.
I already told them the brioche Nature's Own hot dog buns.
Alright, excuse me. Put some mayonnaise on it. Cheese.
A little more hard.
So y'all see the hot dogs, how they came out. Pretty good, look at that. Fried hot dogs, y'all. And then I can get real creative. And we had some sandwich yesterday, right? So might use a little bit of that on top, like some chili. Get me some sprinkled cheese out of there and have me some fried hot dog. Hold up, fried sandwich cheese dogs. New recipe. Let's try that. Oh wow, that look good too though.
Brayden,
That's what her and my son finna eat.
and my mother. Oh shoot! I think I left other two.
Hey, back up.
They got jelly, crispy bacon.
Nuh-uh, this is not crispy bacon.
Soft bacon.
These are crispy.
Mom, which one is one?
You need to fix your own plate. I fix your grandma's.
Right. Look at him. Now you need to fix your own plate.
Oh! Well,
Right. Fix your own plate.
Fried hot dogs. Get the fries up out of here, y'all see them.
Mom, you didn't have to.
I'm about to turn it back over to live in the kitchen.
You like crunchy anyway. I need that. I need that red raspberry that you got propped up on the
I need
Thing.
some red raspberry too.
Put my mama a little sugar-free jelly. I am having hot flashes. I am approaching that time in my life where hot flashes are starting. Well, it actually started when I was 40.
What is a hot flash?
Where I just get hot, like, for no reason. Like, look at my face, how wet it is right now.
Same here.
It's farm road farm.
Right up the street. Yeah, that's for mama.
Well, that is better than wow. Man,
You ordered it.
I'm getting ready to. Yeah.
Then oh,
That's his concoction.
Pretty good.
You didn't put no marriage on it, did you?
Nope. But that's gonna be the new fried hot dogs. I'm gonna use sandwich that we had for sandwiches yesterday for the chili and sprinkle cheese. The fried sandwich dog.
whoa.
The fried sandwich dog coming to a city near you.
Hey, there, I got the win. What's your team?
I'm gonna get me a stand and have fried sandwich and cheese dogs.
You're a mess.
And I know everybody in the hood love hot Cheetos and hot nachos and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have jalapeno, Doritos, spicy Doritos, and hot Cheetos with hot sauce on them, sprinkled on them.
Bro, you just said, all I just hear
A hood
hot
classic.
Cheetos, hot Cheetos.
A prison special.
You forget about the Takis, hot fries, hot, hot other chips.
In the prison, you limited to resources, so you know you got all day to figure out different concoctions that may taste good. You just try with what you got to work with. I seen a post the other day on Facebook where this guy, he was saying that in the great state of Alabama, you can spend the next few years in an institution with roughly 3,000 to 4,000 people. And a side note is that they have
The rice.
they have the same amount of different for the numbers and races. And he was referring to
Thanks.
colleges, black colleges versus being in a prison. And it was showing how the government was talking about building more prisons in the state of Alabama, in Escambia County and around Montgomery and Beale County, up towards Birmingham, Tuscaloosa area. But definitely something to think about for high school students and young men and women who are coming of age and want to be about their life or call themselves about their life. That's pretty much the way the story goes. So choose wise. You know, choose to if you want to spend yourself somewhere in an institution, you know, make sure it's something that's gonna be forward in your life and not putting down a standstill, not setting it back. You know, And I made a joke, but it really wasn't a joke. It was really like kind of hammering it home. I shared the post and I said a fun fact is that they both host night parties, but one with sorority girls and one with sissy boys. And a lot of people don't understand the stuff the gross stuff that go on inside of prisons and jails, but you have to tolerate and put up with a lot of things and be subject to a lot of things that you might not necessarily be with or a part of or into, but because you are trapped in certain housing units with 100, 150 to 200 other guys who may be into all who God knows what, then you still in the dormitory where it go on. So whether you want to be a part of it or not, you can't help but to. It's a part of your environment, whether you indulge in it or not. So choose wisely. My advice would be to the younger generation is there's so many opportunities out here, even if you don't want to go to college, to make something of yourself and to get a jump start and a head start in life. And choose that route. You know, a lot of us did the wrong things and went down the wrong path because, and we had a choice too, but we just couldn't see as clearly as we probably can now because under the situation and circumstances, we thought that it was best to make a move this way or to make a move that way because we didn't have the proper guidance. You know, a lot of fathers absent out the home and mothers working 12 hours trying to, keep the household straight as a single parent. So it's leaving the children a little more room to run around and kind of govern themselves. And sometimes, as children, what do you expect? We make mistakes. We make bad choices, wrong decisions because we're not even adults yet. We still figuring out life. We still coming to understand and know what life is about. So we do things more off our feelings and emotions than what the way we should be thinking and what we should be doing. So my advice would be, take advantage of all the opportunities out there before you even think about deciding to just turn to a life of crime or a life to illegal because such and such in your family did, or you grew up knowing some certain guys or whatnot that did it because it's a never-ending cycle of losing your freedom, being incarcerated, and being away from your family. And some people don't even get fortunate enough to do that. Some people, they pass away or some tragic happened to them. So just definitely, man, in this time that we have left on here on earth, just live your best life for real. And that is, not allowing things like that to even come into your life, open those doors up for certain things like that to go on. And you can look at those that have fallen before you and see how their lives turned out and make better choices and better decisions. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food now, but definitely want to give an encouraging message to the youth that it is a better way. It is plenty of opportunity for you guys to be successful. And you don't have to turn to or use excuses to do certain things and to get into certain things. The choice is yours.